Hey, good morning, America. It's Kevin, your favorite roofer here with Honest Abe Roofing. And today we're in Sullivan, Indiana at the airport. Now you're probably asking yourself, why are you at the airport? It's a great question. Well, I'm here with Mike Fry. You've seen Mike on our Facebook videos, I'm sure, inspecting roofs. And today we're taking a little trip over to Richmond, Indiana, all the way on the other side of the state. So you're probably asking yourself, how are you gonna get there? Mike, how are we gonna get there, buddy? Yes, he's pointing. We're taking the plane. So we made it. We're in Richmond. We're getting out of the airplane. Richmond, Indiana. You're probably wondering, how do we get a ladder into an airplane? Well, that's how. Telescoping. It's an amazing little ladder. Look at Mike go. We're gonna hop up here on the roof and check this house out and see how we can solve these problems here for these homeowners. Ultimately, when it comes down to it, this was probably a poor install. You can see here, the rubber's coming up. This challenges everywhere. As I walk on it, I can feel there's actually shingles underneath of this EPDM rubber roof. So at some point in the past, the roof that's behind me that Mike's inspecting has had a asphalt roof under it, and for a quick and easy fix, they just put a rubber roof over it, hoping to solve the problem. Unfortunately, layovers don't solve problems. It's not like kicking the can down the road hoping that the problem will go away. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Now look at this. We see this quite a bit on Chimneys. It's an older home. It has a brick chimney. And as the brick deteriorates, as you can see right in this area here, over time, a lot of solutions that people have tried and still do today, they put a slurry coat or a cement and sand mix around the old brick to encase the brick and keep it in place and stop it from falling apart. It's a decent fix, actually. The challenge here, though, water keeps getting in behind the cement in this patching because of this tar. We're on the bottom of the chimney, and as you can see up here on the back of the chimney, ooh yeah, you can see right through here, the tar has failed, and it allows water into the home. This water sits back here. Well, you know where it goes when it gets past the roofing through the brick. It goes into the house, and you've got gallons and gallons of water flowing into the structure. This makes everybody upset, trust me. You can see when I push on this rubber here, it moves. You see that, how it's moving? Well, as the rubber ages, it shrinks and it pulls away from its connecting points across the roof. And then you can have challenges, it can rip away from seams, so on and so forth. And if you step on it, there could be penetrations. You can see here when I push on this roof, there's something underneath of this area. And if you step on it, walk on it too often, you can actually put a hole in there. Well, someone has put a hole in the roof in the past, in other areas. And this causes leaks as well. So we're still doing our inspection on this roof in Richmond, Indiana. And we were speaking earlier about the EPDM and how it shrinks and pulls away from its connections. So let's check this out with me. You can see here we've got what we call a T-bar. This is a termination bar. Termination bar is where you roll a rubber up underneath the siding, and they use this bar to screw and hold the rubber into place. As you can see here, as I push on it, you may not be able to tell exactly, but there's nothing under it. It's pulling away from the roofing system. And you can see down here where my hand is, you've got all these openings. I mean, check that out. That's not good. Well, it's been an awesome day so far in Richmond. We've had a chance to help multiple people with permanent roofing solutions. And let's just face it, when it comes down to it, Even people in Richmond, Indiana are sick and tired of dealing with roofing systems that only last a few 5, 10, or 15 years. If you're putting a roof on, you're gonna live in your house more than 10 years, there's no sense in thinking that you should replace it in the future. Our company installs roofing solutions that will last a lifetime, and they're guaranteed to do so. So, if you want to roof it, forget it, give us a call, click the link below, and ask for America's favorite roofer, your friend Kevin with Honest Abe Roofing. Talk to you soon, America. Give me a call, I'll come visit you. Also, we want to give a quick shout out to the Richmond County Airport for letting us use our car. Check it out. Yes, right there. The old Chevy Lumina got us to and from the airport just fine. So thanks, Richmond, for letting us use your car to help these fine homeowners here get their roofing problem solved once and for all. Check that guy out. He is upset about his roof.